Hello everybody and welcome to Workshop Studios. So today's project is over here in this peaceful looking garden area. So what you don't see is something I'm going to zoom in on, but watch for it. So over here in this tranquil looking group of hostas, see if I can find them here, is a yellow jacket nest. And they're very sneaky because they don't look like they're there. But I was watering earlier and all of a sudden a huge swarm came out of there. And you got to keep your distance. I'm not seeing any right now, but they're there. And they're right at that one right there, kind of at the base of it. And what they do is yellow jackets make their home in the ground. Oops, go back this way. They make their home in the ground. And so they do have a paper nest like other flying insects, like, bees and hornets and stuff. They just happen to go down in a hole and make their nest underground. So they're pretty hard to get rid of. I'm going to show you a trick that we learned with another hornet's or a yellow jacket's nest that will hopefully help you folks out there that have these problems. What we're going to do is use an insect sticky board to put it right near the nest. And they're very curious creatures, so they like to explore. And one will land on it and get stuck. And then it will say to the others, "Help, help." And they will come to its rescue and land. And pretty soon you have a sticky board full of yellow jackets. And you just keep replacing the sticky boards until the yellow jacket's nest is cleared out. So normally we practice a live and let live policy with insects in our garden, is that we try to let them have their way and we stay out of their way, and they usually stay out of ours. But yellow jackets are a different critter altogether. They are pretty darn aggressive, and if they make a nest that's in an area we need to work, then it's time for them to go. So it's just one of those things. Yellow jackets are the kind of critters that they shoot first and ask questions later. I think that would be the way I'd put it. Lots of bees and other critters, wasps even, they're usually pretty chill. But yellow jackets, they like to go for the throat right out of the gate. So we try not to get into a tangle with them, or we're going to get stung. So this is the sticky board. You can get them lots of places. You can get them at Walmart. But what you do is just peel it back and then put it by the nest, so it peels off like that. Go. Okay, and then just carefully put it down there like that. And then we wait for the little buggies to land, and they start telling their friends to help them. So we'll see how that does. Okay, so it's kind of dusk now, and you can see that we've gotten a few on there. And when they land, they get pretty agitated, and others come to help them. So we just leave it there, and pretty soon it gets filled up. Well, so here it is the next morning. Let me zoom in a little. You can see not a lot on there. We've had a lot more in other hives, but it's definitely starting to collect them. I've put a second one down there. You can see it through the leaves there. I'm trying to keep my distance so I don't get stung. But it's definitely collecting them, and we'll just keep an eye on it. This is this evening, and about the same number. Might have to do a little pushing them around a little. Not very many on there. Well, activity has dropped to near zero here, and I think the hive is either gone or moved on. So our little sticky boards worked great. There's just two of them. You can still see the remnants of them down there. So if you want to try to get rid of a yellow jacket nest that way, feel free. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye!